Hi, thank you very much for attending our talk today. I'm going to talk to you about our paper, Deciding on Personalized Ads, Nudging Developers About User Privacy. My name is Mohammad, and I did this work in collaboration with Alisa, Frik, and Vaniea. Why ad networks? Ad networks are a common way of monetizing mobile applications. Only on Android, about 77% of free Android apps contain an ad library, which enables ad networks to collect massive data from users, including sensitive data. And qualitative research with users show that some users find these ads and personalized ads in particular discriminating, creepy, or intrusive. On the developer side, developers are given options to choose between personalized or non-personalized ads for their users. Here you can see two examples provided by Google Ad Mob. So we were keen to better understand how the presentation of this information to developers could change their decisions for their users. Also, the presentation and the choices given to developers vary across platforms and ad networks. So we asked two research questions. In the first research question, which takes a quantitative approach, we asked, how does choice framing in ad networks impact developers' decisions about ad personalization? And in the second question, which takes a qualitative approach, we asked, what are the reasons behind developers' choices of personalized or non-personalized ads? I'm going to focus on the first question in this presentation. To answer our research questions, we designed an online experiment between subjects with 400 participants, all with mobile app development experience. We told our participants that imagine that you work in a company, you're a shareholder, and you have built an app and you have decided that you want to monetize it using Acme Ad Network. Acme provides a step-by-step guidance that walks you through some questions, and at the end, you can export the code and put it in your application and it works. We had some questions about graphical interface, about what kind of operating system that you want to use. And the question that we were interested in, and we varied it across 6 conditions, was the question around personalized and non-personalized ads. I'm going to talk to you about that question in the next slide. Here you can see the 6 conditions. In the first one, in the control condition, which was inspired by the GDPR interface on Google Ad Mob, we didn't give much information and details about the options. In the second one, which was inspired by the CCPA interface on Google Ad Mob, the trade-off was between processing users' data and showing some ads based on their behavior. In the user-facing descriptions, which was inspired by the Apple's App Store new privacy labels, the trade-off was between showing some personalized ads tag or kind of telling the users about the decision of the developers. In the privacy-focused condition, the trade-off was between higher user privacy and lower user privacy. In the revenue-focused condition, the trade-off was between higher revenue and lower revenue. And in the privacy versus revenue condition, the trade-off was between higher revenue and higher user privacy. Here you can see some results. The green bar shows the percentage of participants who chose the non-personalized option, and the red bar shows the percentage of participants who chose the personalized option in each condition. As you can see, only in 2 conditions, when privacy was really salient and highlighted, users picked the non-personalized option more often than the personalized one. Also, for example, in the privacy-focused one, participants were about 11 times more likely to pick the non-personalized option compared to the participants who were in the control condition. Overall, we find that presentation of privacy information to developers can impact their decisions for their users. We argue for providing transparent and honest options to developers, minimizing the use of dark patterns, both in the graphical level and also in the code level, in the sample codes and in the APIs, to enable developers to make informed decisions. Thank you very much for listening.